jungle, guys.
Hey guys, so in this video is going to be really different from the rest. I don't really talk too much because I wasn't really comfortable in speaking in front of the camera. There'll be little lines here and there, but not as much. So this video will consist of montages of what I did in Baler with music. So I hope you guys enjoy.
To be fair, the roots are not brittle, they're very smooth. It's like I'm in the jungle. Yo, I'm in the jungle, guys. Just show you the waterfall. It's called a mother waterfall. Wait, let me take a picture. It's called a mother waterfall. And look how powerful. Come on, Steve, you can do it. Yeah. If you put your head down. You put your head down. Quickly, quickly. Decided. It's cold! It's like icy cold. Like my throat hurts now. I got a sore throat. Woo! It's cold!
Yep, there's me, just walking, stuck my tongue out because I have nothing to say. Oh, I said we're going back as quietly as I can. And I don't know why I did that.
1, 2, 3.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars.
No surprise, another video where I'm not talking again. Oh hey, DiZONe. Now we are going to the lighthouse. As you can see, it's raining really hard. We weren't prepared for this. Oh look, there's me pointing, not saying anything again. That's where the lighthouse is, and here we go. My trip to Baler has come to an end. And every time I look down this road, it makes me realize the endless adventures that I've had in the Philippines. Yet this one stood out the most. I had the chance to experience the lifestyle in the province, where I was able to indulge in their food, grasp the beauty of Mother Nature, and inhale that breath of fresh air. That is something a city girl like me travels for. So a massive thank you to the Stasio family for letting me into their sweet home and showing me the wonders of Baler.
I need the sun to break. You've woken up my heart, I'm shaking. Oh, my luck could change. Been in the dark for weeks and I've realized you.
Any place you wanna go.